This is a rear courtyard in a Victorian house dating back to 1875. We're renovating this house, and the next job I have to do is to unblock this drain. For this job you need a stiff broom and a powerful jet of water. You'll also need an old screwdriver. You begin by giving the drain a quick scrub down. And a clean. So the first thing to do is to prise off the lid. Now, this lid should come away from the surround, but sometimes the whole thing comes up. Ah, okay. That's very heavy. Looks like this one is broken, which is fine. Well, there we have the drainage system. And really it's just a question of cleaning out the housing. This one has a name on it, H.Y. Rogers and Co. 43 Upper Thames Street. When you do put everything back together, try not to drop anything down there. So it's just a question now of putting it back. And that's it.